Welcome to this channel again. We are going to do a test in this video. The test will be based on chapter number 7. Remember, this is the book Contemporary Business Mathematics with Canadian Applications. So let's go to study plan and look for the chapter that we need. So we have here all the chapters. Let's let's go to the part of the test to do this video. Um, I'm going to explain how to do this, how to use this work, this Excel worksheet in real time. So we have here the test, and we click Start Test. I'm going to skip some of the questions because it's basically, as I explained before, just change the values and put the answer. But in this video, I want you to notice that if you enter wrong values, this will affect your answer. So let's start with the first one. So you need to type just two, three, four words to identify the question that we need. Once we we have identified the questions, we start changing just the values. So in this case, we are changing just three values. Look if the question matches with the one that we have in the Excel worksheet. So, and you have the answer. Click next to go to the second one. Same procedure. Click on a blank cell, then type some of the words that the question contains, find the maturity, and then we have first to make sure that this question is that the one that we need for this required exercise. So change the values again. So we have to change here the dates. We do that on the formula bar. It's better. Remember to remember the months. In this case, December is number 12, January 01, and then the days. Then we have the answer. We type it as it, it is shown in our work Excel worksheet. Then we have to verify once again and then click next. I want you to notice at the end of the test the time that we spent doing all these 20 questions for this chapter. And let's continue with the rest of the test. So basically we spend most of the time just looking for the right questions, the right question that matches with the one that we have in the Excel worksheet. So let's type a few words to identify which is the one that we need. We have to read one or maybe two times, look the question, and if that question matches, we are ready to proceed doing our math exercise. So we have the answer in seconds. And if you want, obviously, to know how this Excel worksheet functions, you are free to look for the formulas and everything. They are not covered, so you can study if you want to do that. So in this part, let's skip some of the questions. We have here this question that is kind of different. Look, this part I didn't type correctly, and so I got Excel couldn't find a question that matches. So once we have the question, we have to read carefully which of the questions are similar. So we identify that that's the one that we need. So in this number 9, if you notice, it says months, and that we need that the one that we need is in days, the time. So that is the correct one. So once again, change the values, and we have the answer. Let's skip a little bit. This is question number 12. I have included some words of the question so we don't get lost by doing this procedure. So read carefully. All the values must be entered correctly if you want to get a right answer. So be careful with this. Okay, let's type the question. Let's skip to some of the questions. Let's start with question number 18. So as you notice, I highlight the questions in Pearson platform, so it's better for me to see just the values. So after doing this, it's easy to change the values. Look, it doesn't matter if the question has fractions, you enter as it shows, and you won't have problems. Once again, we have to identify, it says days ago, so this is the one that we need because the other one has months ago, and the other one has months and years. So this is the one that we need. So we have to proceed. Okay, the rate is 10. Then we have the answer. A procedure maybe will take you doing by hand 5 to 10 minutes every question. So this is an easy way to do it. Let's go with the final question. Okay, let's type some of the or part of the question to identify. So look, is the values sometimes are quite similar. Okay, let's go for the last value that we need, and it says 7 months. Okay, I want you to notice the time that we spent here doing this test. Look, 21 minutes, 22 minutes. But we have two incorrect answers. So that is the thing that I want you to notice. Look what will happen. What happened here? So let's check the values that we enter. So this is the problem. We didn't enter the value correctly. Look, we forgot to put 9. Look, if it's just a decimal, the question is gonna change. Look, you can verify it is the same that Pearson provides. And let's check the error that we had in question number 8. So let's go to the question. If you want to get this Excel worksheet, you can get it for $15. So contact me. The number is in the description of this video. So let's type again and verify what happened with this question, with the answer. So once again, the problem was that we enter a wrong value. We forgot to put the decimals. Look, the answer one matches, and look for the second one, it matches. So it's important to enter the values correctly. So I think this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you are interested, contact me. Thank you. Bye.